Welcome back to my channel. In this channel today, I will show you how you can promote your affiliate link or how you can promote Fiverr affiliate link in order for you to make money. Today, I will show you step by step what you have to do. And if you like this tutorial, please let me know something in the comment below. And I want you, after you finish watching this movie, I want you to apply whatever you're going to learn from this video. And please let me know something what you didn't understand, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. I will try to answer all your questions. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to come to the Fiverr. All right, as you see here, I'm here on Fiverr already. So when you're on Fiverr, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to promote logo design. All right, you just to come to the Fiverr and search logo. As you see here, I'm searching here on Fiverr. So we have found so many logo designer here, so many of them, but we want the customer, when he comes to this interface here, to see who is having so many customers and who is making a kill here on Fiverr. So it means we are recommending for the best one. So what you have to do, as you see, you have to select which one you are going to promote. All right, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to promote this one, Sarah. This person here, I'm going, because as I see now, this person has so many clients. All right, so what you have to do now, let me open this for you to check. As you see now, I have opened this gig now, as you see. So first, when you open this gig, you have to scroll down first to check what people are saying about this gig. And if you like it, then you can promote. But if you don't like, but before you recommend, you have to check the comment. All right, so let's check. As you see here, most of the customer are coming from United States. So let's scroll again, scroll for us to check. This one from Canada is Sarah did a great job on providing Amazon A+ image. All right, as you see here, we have read all the comments, and what we are seeing here, people, most of them are happy. Wow, such a nice person who really listens to what you want, and absolutely I recommend this seller to everyone. All right, so what you have to do is, we have verified everything on this gig. You have to download this picture here, because this is the pictures we will be using on Pinterest for us to promote this gig. So if someone comes and clicks our pin, the person will be redirected to this gig, and if this person places the end order on this gig, we will get a commission, we will be paid. All right, so just download this picture here. As you see, I have already downloaded the pictures. So when you finish download the picture, you have to come to this platform here. It's called Photopea. Photopea is the platform we are going to use for us to create our Pinterest banner. All right, so when you come to the Photopea, just come to this corner here, the left side, click here and click here where you say news. All right, you click news. So we have to customize our banner for Pinterest. Just right here, the first one, just straight 1000, and the second one, just the height one, just put 1500. All right, as you see, so just click here where you say create. All right, as you see now, we have created our Pinterest banner. All right, so now as we have already finished creating our banner, it's the time for us to add the pictures on top of this. So what you have to do, again, just come here again to this place where is written file. When you come to here, just click the second one, as you see here where I'm pointing. Click here, and what you have to do now, we have to grab the image we download from the Fiverr, as you have seen. So now let me just click the image that I got from Fiverr. All right, let me just scroll. Now this is the pictures. Let me add. All right, as you see now, I have got, this is the picture, the one I took from this gig here. So let me open again. This is the picture I took from this gig. So it means we are recommending people to come to this gig here, and if they like this gig, they can place in an order. If they don't like it, they can still also looking for some other designers, and if they place an order, we will still get a commission. All right, so we are here. All right, as I was saying, now we are here. All right, so I don't know what has happened now. I don't know, but just something went wrong. But all right, no problem. So let me just repeat it for you to check it. Just put 1000 here, the weight 1000, and the height put 1500. All right, just create it again. I don't know what was happening, and come again to this here. Open the second one as the file now, and scroll, check the pictures, grab the one you download from the Fiverr. All right, the pictures here. So when you come to this place here, what you have to do now, because we want to copy these pictures for us to add here. All right, just click here, as you see in my mouse here, click here, and then you can select the part you want to copy. All right, so let me select it. Please pay closer attention. All right, so as you see now, I'm selecting this part here where I wanted to copy. As you see here, all right, now I have selected red. So when you complete selected, you have to come to this page where you say edit. When you come to this part, just click here, copy. As you see, you just copy. All right, now when you finish the copy, just come to the second here, this place here. Again, you have to come to this part where you say copy and scroll, just say paste. All right, as you see now, we have pasted already our pictures, but we want these pictures to fit all these places. So what you have to do, as you see, just follow my mouse. You come to this here, this mouse here, this arrow. All right, you click here. When you click this arrow, you have to click here where you say transform control. All right, as you see now, I have already transformed. When you click transform here, it will come like this. So you can shift, you can pull, you can do whatever you want in order for this to fix in this banner. All right, so let's just fix it. As you see, I hope you follow my instruction. All right, as you see now, we are fixing, we are doing everything. All right, so now we have completed everything. Don't worry about this here empty space here. Don't worry, you have to fix it in the middle. The main thing is the pictures. Now when you complete this, what you have to do, just come again to this arrow here, click here, and then uncheck here this place where it says transform control, uncheck. All right, now as you see now, we have completed our Pinterest banner. Now our Pinterest banner is ready. So what you have to do, just come to this file here again, click here and scroll down. As you will see this part here where it says export as. So just scroll down and you have to export as GPNG, or this one, this second one. Just click here. All right, as you see now we will download this because we have already get it. All right, so let's just, all right, we have already downloaded everything. So now as we have downloaded this, so what we have to do, we have to come to the Pinterest at the place where we will be posting our banner. All right, so when you come here, just have you come to this place here. As you see, create a pin, create idea pin. All right, just you can select this, the second one, no problem, or the first one, is depend on you, but let's the first one. All right, as you see now, we have already completed. Now as you see now, this is the place where we have to add the pin the banner, the one we create on Photopias. So let's just grab it and put. All right, this is the new project. All right, let me just add here. As you see now, we have already added the one we make. This is exactly the size on Pinterest. So if you do as I'm showing here, you will not have any problem, because this will be exactly the same size. Now as we have completed, now we have to add our title. So the title, we have to come to the Fiverr again, to the same gig as you see here, and we have to copy this, Ctrl C. All right, let's come to the again. All right, so this is the place, so we have to paste it. As you see now, we have pasted already here on Pinterest. This will be our title. So we still have to add the description here. Now for the description, again we have to go again to the same gig for us to grab the description. So when you scroll down, as you see here, all right, so what you have to do, you have to just copy the one that is suits for you. All right, let's copy this part here. Let's go back to Pinterest. All right, so let's come to Pinterest. Let's paste it. As you see now, we have pasted already. As you see now, we have pasted already the information. All right, so we have pasted already the introduction. We have already pasted the introduction. So we still have more space here for us to add some other informations. So let's come back to the gig on Fiverr. So you have to come to this place here for us. What will you receive? All right, so now we have to provide this information, because the customer will be reading this and he will understand what we are going to provide if he places an order on our pin. All right, so all right, so this is looking so big, but let's just, all right, we have so many here. All right, as you see now, okay, all right, as you see now, we have completed our description for this. Now we have to grab the link for us to add here, the add to destination. So what you have to do when you come to the destination, again you come to the here on Fiverr to the same gig. So when you come to the same gig, you have to copy this UL, this address on top here, the first one. When you copy it, just to copy the first one, you have to copy this one, this address on top. You copy this. All right, when you copy this, you come to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. When you come to affiliate dashboard, you come to this place where it's written marketing tools. When you come to the marketing tool, you have to scroll until this place where it's written default and deep links. Click here. All right, so when you click here, as you will see, just click here where it says LPUL. All right, paste the link, the one we copied from the gig we took from the Fiverr. All right, so let me copy. As you see now, we have already pasted the link, the one we took from the gig with the one we copy on the owner of the gig. This is his address. All right, so you just paste it. All right, when you paste here, it will create straight our Fiverr CPA. Just copy here, as you see here. All right, now we have copied. When you copy this, you have to come to the here on Pinterest, and you come to Pinterest, so you have to paste here. All right, as you see now, we have pasted our link. All right, we have pasted our link. So now our gig is red. So our gig is red. So what we have to do now, what we have to do is the time for us to publish this. It's the time for us to publish. So you have to come here, and as I have created so many ideas here, so let me select which one that belongs to this. All right, belongs to, all right, logo design. So you can click here, publish. Let's click, and let's see now. Let's wait while we are publishing our gig, that when we finish right now on. All right, as you see now, you created a pin. All right, as you see now, we have finished everything, and our pin is alive. All right, let's see your pin. All right, as you see now, our pin is already alive. We have finished everything. And if the customer comes and clicks here, as you see here, if this person comes and click here, he will be taken straight to the Fiverr. He will come to this gig here, and if he places an order, we will receive a commission. So this is the strategy I wanted to show you, and I hope you get a lot of benefit from this tutorial. And if you like this, please let me know something in the comment below, and please don't let this strategy to pass. I want you to practice. Please try to apply this strategy. I'm sure you will be able to make money. This is not so hard. This is very easy. I have showed you everything step by step. I want you also to apply this strategy. If you like, please let me know something in the comment below, so that I can know that I'm doing something great and something valuable, something that is helping other people. And I have left the link in my description below for you to sign up here on Fiverr, for you to start doing same as I have showed you in this tutorial. Thank you very much, and please like this tutorial and share it my channel with other people also that might want to learn about this strategy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.